Welcome back, Hey homies. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a nail video. Nail Addict sent us some other great colors for us to show you guys. So we have our collection over here. And you guys, if you click the link down below, they are giving you 50% off this time. You definitely want to check them out, okay? They've got over 100 colors. And today, Alexa, which colors are you going to do on your nails?
I'm doing Happy Birthday and Pink Princess, even though this kind of looks like a white.
Yeah. And we're actually wearing the colors right now. These are our favorite nail polishes on our bunions. I'll give you guys a close-up. There's my bunions. On my toes right there, I have the Precious. And it's like a pretty sparkly color, so they do last.
Hey, what happened to that one?
I don't know.
she forgot to do that one.
Yeah.
Anyways, so we're gonna grab some nail polishes. If you have their nail polishes, even better. And you can come do your nails with us. These do last forever. Last time we did our nails, I mean, even our toenails, they're still on there, still strong. They harden the nails. Right now, I have my nails all broken from washing dishes, cleaning, everything we have to do, right? It's hard to keep your nails.
Fine.
Yeah. Well, she needs to wash dishes. Yeah, you do. Okay, so for the first step is to put on the base coat, which we have right here. Okay. We're going to put on the base coat really quick. Are you guys excited for Christmas?
Because it's coming up.
It's coming up.
We only have like, what day is it? It's the 19th, 18th?
Something like
It's
that.
the 20th, isn't
Okay. So I've got my base
it?
coat on. It's only a couple days away.
Should be like 5 days away.
Okay, I am going to cure my nails. Go for it, Alexa. And you want to let them cure for about, I find that about a minute is good. And today I'm going to show you guys a cashmere. It's like this beautiful light gray color. So we're going to try it. When you cure these, it does turn the nail really hard. It gives it like a very strong finish. I gave myself an accent nail.
What's an accent nail?
It's a nail that pops. A nail that pops. We hope you guys enjoyed our video. Thank you so much for watching. Seriously, guys, go check out their store. It's Nail Addicts LA. We'll link their store down in the description down below. And they're giving you guys 50% off. So go check them out. You can get a beautiful, they have over 100 colors, so you can get 50% off. $10 for a beautiful gel color, okay? They've got over 100 colors. Today I have Cashmere and the Precious as an accent nail. And
I have Happy Birthday and Pink Princess.
Fun. Okay, and all you have to do is make sure that you have a great LED UV light, and your nails will last for weeks, guys. Like I showed you, our toenails we did a while back, and they're still strong. They'll keep your nails nice and hard, and anyways, they look absolutely beautiful. That is their mission, guys. They want everybody to feel confident, and they want to give you the absolute best for your nails. So once again, go make sure to check out their store, check out all of the colors. If you've got a special occasion, Valentine's Day, it's a brand new year. If you want to do Christmas nails, if any color you want, they will have, I promise you. So anyways.
Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell.
And remember, keep your chin up and never give up. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye. Have a happy new year and a Merry Christmas.